Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to the Sky Lagoon in Iceland. So we're going to have a quick look at the website. This is available in Icelandic or in English. And the four currencies we've got are Icelandic kronas, euros, US dollars and Canadian dollars. This is the packages list. We went for the salmon, which is the sort of standard list, but there are lots of other packages you can choose from. And these are the 7 ritual steps. Let's go. We are in the Sky Lagoon. It is very, very warm in the water, but absolutely freezing. Yeah, freezing on your face. But we're going to do the 7 ritual steps and take you around. So let's go. So my wife and her friend are ahead of us somewhere. There's like an infinity sort of pool bit that I'm going to make my way to. We're going to get a drink at some point. We've got a wristband. Here it is. One for the 7 ritual steps and one for the lockers and for paying for your drinks, etc. Here she comes. Here's Janet. This is that an infinity?
That's the infinity bit.
Yep. So we have a look at that.
I'm looking for the bar, so I need
the
a
bar.
cocktail.
Yes, the bar would be nice.
Yeah, come and see the infinity. It's really nice view.
Yep.
We're currently here with my our friend Sarah. We're looking for the bar. Yeah, we're hoping once it goes dark, all the lights come on. So we're not sure how it's going to look lit up.
It's like I think over there ahead of us, you might be able to see it, is the entrance to the 7 ritual steps. And then over here we have a little water feature. So we found the bar. You pay for your drinks at the end of your visit to the lagoon. The second ritual step is the ice cold plunge pool.
Ice cold water. It's like 3 degrees. And Stephen's going to come in.
I'm really not.
Give me the camera. You are coming in. I've been in 4 times. 4 times I've been in. And I love it. It is so refreshing to get out of that and back into here. Do you agree, Stephen?
I do agree. I'm never going to go into a cold plunge pool ever again in my life. But I do have a beer. And Janet has a cocktail.
Passion fruit martini.
Passion fruit martini. The bar's over there. We've just been to the bar. And now we're trying to find Sarah. She's around here somewhere, chilling out. But cheers. And how's that? Lovely cold refreshing beer with this as your background. And we are in, I think it's 80-degree temperature water. Just chilling out. Really do like the Sky Lagoon. We're off to the Blue Lagoon tomorrow. So we'll see what that's like and how they compare. We may even do a video comparing the 2 places and see which one's our favourite. But yeah, first impressions of the Sky Lagoon are really, really nice. So on to the third step, which is the sauna. And we'll make our way into the left-hand side of the saunas where you can actually use devices. The right-hand side you can't. There's no phones or cameras allowed. So people can get some privacy. But this side, look at it. Look at the view. You've got the middle part there, which producing all the heat. People chilling out on the side, just taking in this magnificent view through a glass window. There's the coals. Very, very warm in here, as you'd imagine. And a beautiful scenery there, look. Cold mist. That sauna was far too hot, couldn't stay in there for too long.
No, I can't stay now.
Cold mist. You can see the mist coming through from the ceiling. We're going to make a run for it. I'm going to spend too long in here. God, that was cold. That was a very short step. Very short ritual step. And now we're going into another room where I think there's masks and scrubs and things like that. There we go.
So we have these little pots of scrubs and we put them on our bodies only, not our face.
Okay.
And then we put them on and then we go into a steam room.
A steam room, that sounds better.
So
Right, let's go.
You've got to make your arm wet and then you just put it on.
Okay.
Like that. Just put it all over. Can you put some on my back, please?
Yep. Give me some.
So you need to make my back wet.
Why'd you laugh?
With water. I'll do your
Oh,
back
it's like
now.
salt or something.
It's not salt, it's a body scrub.
Right.
So once we're finished, we've now got to go into a steam room and stay in there for a few moments. The scrub smells really nice.
Oh my God.
Oh, this is steaming.
God, this is steam. This is worse than the sauna.
I'm not going to stay any longer. I feel it going through you.
So we've come out the steam room and I think it's shower time. Yep, shower time.
So pure cranberry juice, Icelandic herbal tea.
Yep.
It's really nice.
Really nice, right.
Medicine.
So we're back outside after the 7 ritual steps. It was quite invigorating. Didn't really much like the cold plunge pool. I prefer the warm rituals, but yeah, we're outside again. The temperature's dropped and a lot more steam coming off of this really, really warm water. It's great when your shoulders are below the surface and just your head poking out. Quite relaxing. If you are liking the video, please consider hitting the like button. If you've been to the Sky Lagoon or the Blue Lagoon, please leave any comments down below. Which one was your favourite? How you found it? You think it's value for money, etc. Really love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're still a very small channel. Hopefully, with your help, we can get a bit bigger. So please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any more future content. Lots more Icelandic content coming up. We've got snowmobiling, some more waterfalls that we've visited, a little bit of a road trip coming up. We've got Reykjavik. So yes, please consider subscribing. Would really appreciate it. But yeah, we are just chilling out now. The day is ending. We've got the sky is getting a little bit darker now. A lot of cloud out tonight. I don't think we're going to see any northern lights tonight. But we're just enjoying ourselves in the Sky Lagoon. Now, once you're in the Sky Lagoon, it's great because you can then stay in here for as long as you want. So you could actually come in sort of lunchtime-ish and just spend the whole afternoon here. And if we do have clear skies, you may even glimpse some northern lights. That would be quite an experience, wouldn't it? Northern lights while you're chilling out in a thermal Sky Lagoon. But yeah, we've had a great time here. As I said earlier, we're off to the Blue Lagoon tomorrow. We will be doing a video on that. That's a different kind of experience. That's more of a sort of volcanic feel to it. This is more like a spa feel. It will be really interesting to see how we find the two different experiences. But we're going to finish our time in the Sky Lagoon now with a nice drink. As you can see from the sky, it's getting really dark now. There are lights on. It's really hard now to get some decent footage from the camera because it's so dark, but we've really enjoyed it here. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. We hope to see you again in future videos. Many thanks for watching. It's bye for now.